What's up, y'all? Got a little mail here from, this looks like it's from Cmax. His channel is Cmax Arms. Open it up. I don't want to give away his super secret address. But he said he's going to send me some swaggage for the beer fridge. There it is, Cmax Arms. Go check out Cmax Arms channel. Pretty cool. It says on the back, see on the tube, Cmax. Don't forget, I also got a VidMe channel now as well. Alright, let's see. Move this bottle opener over. So we tuck this right up in here. A little more. There we go. Pretty dang good. Alright. After a little beer fridge shout out time. What we got up here? Smile Money, Salted Shellback, 5-4 Dirt Dart, who gave up on the tubes.
You gave up on us. You gave up on us.
That was mine. Mr. Bullet Points. These are from Pop's Quest here. Next says Pop's Quest. And good old Hornet Fixer. Always liked that one. Foul Fanatics. That's Eric Karsten's. And then Drive Shaft Drew. So there we go. There's the current beer fridge shout outs. You know.
Some people get removed.
If they turn their back on me.
Because I'm just that way.